Yo, what's good, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, man. Today, I took 0 trades today, but I'm going over why I didn't take any trades, how I'm improving, and yeah, man, some lessons in trading. So yeah, man, I love you guys. Enjoy the video. Yeah. Yo, what's good, guys? Welcome back to my another video, another trade recap or day recap. Since I didn't take any trades today, I'm gonna go over the stocks I was looking at, why I was looking at them, and yeah, man, I was looking firstly at BEAT. The stock was looking pretty good. It was moving. It went up pretty much. It had a good catalyst and everything, but I didn't have the highest hopes for this. I set some alerts over here at 200 EMA. It broke 200 EMA on like the second candle of open, and it just dumped down, and I didn't consider an entry after that. So CTGL, super slow mover, was just playing ping pong right here, just not doing anything, just moving sideways. We don't want that. We want stocks to go up, not sideways like this. MNTS, I also had some big hopes for this, especially right here. Like a few minutes into market open, I thought it was gonna break VWAP. It was like only 1 cent away from VWAP, so but it never broke. Was constantly under VWAP, so not taking any trades under this line right here, which is VWAP. And that leaves us with BBGI. This was the stock I had the most hopes for because when I was looking at it, uh, that was at 42, right there. Uh, when I was looking at it, the floats was super low. Float was super low, which is a really good thing. And the volume, opening volume was like not the best, like 194,000, not the best opening volume, but it gained a lot of volume over here and over here. So it first bounced off 200 EMA right here, and then it went up here and it halted. Now I'm gonna explain. Wait, and it unhalts again, bro. Look at this. It's untradeable, bro. It's gone up like 180% now, bro. 180%. But it's untradeable because when I was looking at this, first I wanted it to be up at least 10% from open for me to consider an entry, which is right here at 680. It came to 680 right here, but it just halted. And if you don't know what a halt is, it's when it's so volatile and it's moving so quick that they like shut it down. So no more transaction. You can not do any transaction. The price is stuck, and it's not moving. Nobody can sell or buy or do anything. So it's basically stuck for 5 to 10 minutes. Like it's either not in between. It's either 5 minutes or it's 10 minutes. If it's not 5 minutes, then it's gonna be 10 minutes. And I can show you. If you look at the timestamp down here, if you just like look here, this it halted right here at 15:35. Now this was a 10-minute halt, and the next candle is 15:45. So I was waiting 10 minutes to get from here to there. It was 10 minutes, and when it reopened again, it wasn't even open for 1 minute before it halted again, and it created this like flat candle. If you probably have never seen this before, but this is basically when a company is buying out the stock. It's you can see the volume. It's super low. It's only 5,800. It's super low because there's a company that's buying out the stock, buying all of these shares, and nobody else is buying. So and it halted. Nobody can sell or buy or do anything, and it opens for 1 minute, not even 1 minute, and it halts again. And you see 15:51 right here, and then 15:56. It took 5 minutes for me to wait for this, and then it halts again. Same thing again. Company buys. Then this was another 5-minute halt. Then this is a 10-minute halt. Then it halts again, and it's another 10-minute halt. Like, you can't make this shit up, bro. It's untradeable. It's really untradeable. And look at this now. It halted again. Look at this, bro. It halted again, bro. Holy shit, bro. And now it's up. How much is this up? The opening price was $6, bro. Opening price was like 620. It's now up 190%, bro. 190%, and I took 0 trades on this because it's untradeable for me, bro. Like, I'm not a computer. I can't do this shit, bro. It's best for me to just stay out and wait for better conditions, man. So let's go through the notes I took today. 0% no trade day, daily rating 8 out of 10, control, emotional control 9 out of 10, 0 rules broken, and 0 trades taken. So the stock was moving but was untradeable because of constant halts. Best for me to stay out and wait for better opportunities with cleaner moves. My lesson for today is it's not really a lesson, but like, I'm getting better at staying out of the market, which is something I struggled with before. This is really good improvement. So I'm really proud of myself for this. This week has been really nice. Took a no trade day, then a win, then a no trade day. So yeah, man. We have a one. I took one trade this week, and I have a 100% win rate. So yeah, what I was gonna say is my biggest problem before starting these videos and like at the start of making these type of videos was like revenge trading and over trading constantly. And then I fixed this problem by only letting myself take 1 trade per day. And of course I broke that rule sometimes, but now I haven't broken that rule in like forever. Uh, so uh, and then when I only let myself take 1 trade per day, I recognize that same type of like emotion and that same type of what's it called? I don't know how to explain it, but like it's that same type of emotion, that same type of action I'm doing with that 1 trade a day. With that 1 trade a day, I'm revenge trading still. Because if I, for example, took a loss yesterday and it's horrible conditions today and should be a no trade day, I'm still forcing a trade. And then it's not completely revenge trading, but it can be tied back to that. So, and now I finally see that I'm learning to stay out of the markets and not really forcing any trades when it's bad conditions and only sticking to A+ setups, and this is what I need. Look, it even says here 15 Nasdaq trade halt volatility trading pause at. Look at all of this, bro. Look at all of these halts. Uh, yeah, halt, 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 bro. It's so many halts, bro. Like it's genuinely untradeable, bro. Holy shit. Look at this. No, this is crazy. I've never seen this before. I actually never seen this before. This is crazy. Uh, but yeah, that was it for today. I have a lot to do today, so kind of a short video. I love you guys. Peace out.